Pretty awesome. Howdy folks, Victor with Show Me Adventure Van Life. I'm headed up to Lake Louise today. I'm going up to Ring Trail and Torrey Lake where my last video took us. And I'm going to go to the end of the road to the trailhead and hike up on the mountain, and I'm going to take y'all with me. Hopefully I don't see any bears or mountain lions. I want to check out the lake. It's been 20 years since I've been there. I'm going to do a little fishing. I'm carrying a fishing pole and a small tackle box. I got a day pack with 3 bottles of water and 5 sandwiches and enough stuff to get me through the day. So I'll bring you in when I get back up there. Wanted to show you a little bit more of the mountains here. Still got snow up top. I'm going to be following that mountain range. Once I get up to Du Bois by Whiskey Mountain, I'll be going back in, then hiking up on top. Hey folks, I just left the highway. I'm on gravel road, headed back past Ring Trail and Torrey Lake. Go up on the mountain and see if I can catch fish. Actually, I'm just going up there to video, but I'm carrying my fishing pole, so I'm going to fish a little bit back there. But let me turn you around here. Well, I'm getting back there, getting closer. I'm going to be hiking up that mountain to the top. It's 3 miles uphill to get to the mountain, to the Lake Louise. Grizzly bear area, be aware. Well, here we are at the trailhead. Right over there at that little, I don't know, the little thing with the maps on it over there. That's where the trail is, and it's go up that way. 3 miles uphill. There's quite a few people up here today. When I was up here 20 years ago, you didn't hardly see anybody. I was the only car in the lot. Well, here we go. I'm off on the trip. Please register. Alright. Well, it's been 20 years since I've been up here. But here I go on this trail to Lake Louise. There's the trail. Just hiking down here. I'm going in for the day to go fishing. There's some people that are going in for 5 days or 2 days. but I'm just going in for one day. I guess this way. It's been a long time. Guess I'll follow the other people's tracks. There we go. I'm hiking up along the river. Got to go all the way up there. There's the parking lot down there. Around behind that tree. Well, I'm just gonna hike up here and we'll see what it looks like. Ever closer. Let's go over here. There we go. The river drops about 10 feet from there to there. It's coming down pretty good. Just a little at a time. Look at that, you can see the moon. There's a moon at noon. Well folks, I'm about a third of the way in. About a mile in. I just met 3 people coming out. And they started early this morning. They haven't seen any wildlife. Excuse me, I'm trying to catch my breath. Had a drink of water. But it's a mile I've hiked, and it was uphill, kind of like that, all the way. And if you look way down there, you can see some cars in the parking lot and the road coming in here. But I'm 2 miles away. I'm gonna take plenty of breaks. You can hear the river over the hill. But one lady seeing a snake, and that's about it. No deer, elk, bear, nothing like that. We're up here having fun. I'm sweating a little bit. Walking uphill. Coming out it won't be as bad, but going in, it's a little rougher than I remember. 20 years on me. That makes a big difference. Can't see what it is, but in the corner of that green clearing up there, I just seen something run across. Thought it was a bighorn sheep, but that's a little ways away. There you go, that's where it is. Well, I'm finally going across the top a little bit. I'm not going uphill quite so much, but I gotta make it all the way up to the top up there. I got a ways to go. I'm not halfway, a little under halfway. I'm enjoying myself, even though I'm out of breath and Out of shape is what it is. Well, I'll bring you back when I see something a little more interesting. I don't know if you can see the creek through there, but I finally got far enough up on top where I can't see the parking lot anymore. So, yeah, give me another half hour, 45 minutes, I'll be there. More scenery on the hike in. Last time I stopped was right over there, about in the center of the camera. This will make you realize how out of shape you are. You got the creek right down there. All that water's coming out of Lake Louise up in there. And we'll get there. I'll show you video as I go. I'm hoping to see, I wouldn't mind seeing a bear across the way, or a mountain lion. Maybe some deer or elk would be good too. But I haven't seen anything yet. Not even a snake like that one lady. If you look right through there, you can see a waterfall. Right up, right up there. I'll try to get some better footage of it here. Looks like the water drops probably 50 feet from over there to here. 30 feet, something like that. I gotta go up and over. The trail's going up there. 20 years really took a toll on me. I need to do more of this hiking in the mountains. Kind of get in shape a little bit. Like I said, this hike will definitely make you realize how out of shape you are. Well, that's pretty awesome. Water is flowing right out of the ground there. It goes down into the creek coming out of the lake. Well, we're getting closer. We're just over halfway. I don't know how well you can see it on here, but the creek coming out of the lake ends up down there. You can see the water. It comes from way up there. I'll get some better shots when I get a clearer place. I'm almost there now. I got about 3/4 of a mile to go. Well, I got a clearer view for sure. Pretty awesome. Like I said, I'm almost there. I just got to go another 1/2 to 3/4 of a mile now. But over that hill there. So I'll bring you back in when I get up top.